Welcome to your new home at 3606 Windbriar Court, nestled in the serene community of Houston, Texas 77068. This meticulously maintained residence offers both comfort and style, perfect for modern living that includes 2022 air conditioner units with the UV air purifier, and the roof was replaced in 2018. As you step inside, you will be greeted by a spacious and inviting living area, bathed in natural light streaming through large windows. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room to the dining area and kitchen, creating an ideal space for entertaining guests or relaxing with loved ones. The kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring sleek countertops, ample cabinetry for storage, and modern appliances. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a gourmet dinner party, this kitchen has everything you need to whip up culinary delights. Located in a desirable neighborhood.